Hey guys, Czar here checking in with you. First trade opportunity in New York. I had one this morning, break even. Kind of a frustrating trade actually, but a good mental game test. And now I'm looking at this 10-minute chart. Back to my old 10 minutes here for this afternoon. Looking for an opportunity here potentially on the long side. 10-minute on the left, 1 minute on the right, 20 EMA on the 1 minute. I'm going to bring you back to the 10 minutes so we can focus in on the price action. Here's the 10-minute closing in 1 minute and 24 seconds. Looking for potentially a long opportunity right here, right above, on a close. The next candle. So this is not a live trade. It's not a live order. It's none of the above. I'll let you know when I go live. But this is the clean traffic. Clean in here, clean in here. There was a rejection here, which might play a part here. We'll see. But in 49 seconds, this thing closes. Just going to go over to my own platform here. Bear with me for one moment. Got to set things up here so I can participate here with you. Orders. NAS March contract. All right. Let's get back here. $22 seconds left. I would like to see a nice top wick on that. Which so far we are seeing. Two seconds. Okay, here we go. Getting ready to go live. I'd like to see this pull down and give me a bottom wick first. Don't always get that opportunity this time of day. It's 1:50 in the afternoon. Ready? Live. Live now. This is not my actual stop, by the way. This is a 1-to-1. This is a 1-to-1, and I'm in. Been triggered into this already, and now it's probably going to give me that bottom wick with my luck today. After that break-even trade this morning in London. It's on. I uploaded it, of course, to YouTube. You can watch the whole thing play out. I think it's about a 25-minute video, but a very good discussion, I believe, in my humble opinion, very good discussion on the mental game, impulse control, managing the emotional roller coaster ride of trading. So I encourage you to watch that video again from today, January 31st, 2023. Break-even trade. All right, now it's just patience, guys. Watching and waiting. It's the 1-to-1, risking one to make one. Actual target is 20 points. There's that bottom wick. Now we need a flip. What kind of trade is this? This is a 10-minute zone break, right? Clean break into a new fresh zone, close, so break and close, top wick. Didn't have the bottom wick, but because it's 1:50 in the afternoon, meaning London, UK, Europe, and Germany all closed. Now it's participants coming back from lunch, essentially late lunch in North America, getting this thing going after the sideways consolidation during the lunch hour. This whole piece here. There's 12 noon, and it's now 8 minutes to 2. There are quite a few videos and flash chats about time of day and sessions and what have you, and why that stuff's so important. All right, guys, for your sake, I'm going to put you on pause. We'll watch this play out. I'll bring you back when anything relevant happens here. Either if we get stopped out or move higher. Here we go. Pause. Hey, guys, we're back. A few minutes have passed, and we're still sitting here, trying to move up a little bit higher, but now just rejecting down again. I'll put you back on pause. Sorry to bother you. All right, guys, we're back. A few minutes have passed, and finally sort of pushing up here, but this is a grindy day. focused in, just trusting the method. As you can see, we're up 134 points, so 133 points on the NASDAQ during this futures session. 1.1%. We're up just under 1% on the S&P and 0.7 on the Dow. So it's been a relatively strong day for the NASDAQ. Anytime you're at that 1% or more mark, it's pretty good movement. But this is a very tricky week given the sheer number of earnings releases that are coming out this week, and some big ones. And then FOMC, of course, on Friday, and the interest rate announcement tomorrow, being Wednesday tomorrow. So this market not certain what it wants to do. I'll take you over to VWAP. You can see how we are on the 1 minute VWAP here. Just really grinding up that 1.25 standard deviation line here, just kind of wrapped around it like a snake or a dragon, if you will, and just kind of grinding along there, but certainly above the volume-weighted average price of all transactions occurring in this future session. And that, of course, is a bullish sign. There's no other way around it. New highs for the session there. I'll take you over to the 4-hour chart. There's the 4-hour. Looking to complete this. I can make this red at this point. The red structure means a higher time frame, 4 hour or more. I use red on the daily as well. Although you wouldn't see that in many of my videos. I don't often show that. I'm trying to keep things real simple and clean. And I use green markers on my weekly charts, and you probably rarely ever see that on my videos. All right, let's go back to the trading screen, and there we are, pulling back again. I'll put you back on pause, guys. I'm going to save you the grind, and I'll bring you back. Here we go. Checking back in with you guys. Many minutes have passed. Not for you, only a second for you, but this thing really is just sitting about and not wanting to make a move, but just kind of giving a little bit of potentially false hope here, but continue to watch this thing. Put you on pause again for your sake. Here we go. All right, desperately trying to push up here, guys. Not doing a very good job of it, are they? Here are the three sisters. You'll notice the congruency between them, synchronicity, largely for that matter. Just hit new highs for the NASDAQ. Bring you back to the trading screen. Here we go. And now just pull back again. Go figure. But it is encouraging to see all three indices doing essentially the same thing. The difference being that only the NASDAQ, thankfully it's the one that we're in, just broke highs of that last peak, whereas S&P did not. The Dow did not, meaning it did not break through here, did not break through here. NASDAQ did, but really now this appears to be absolutely a double top, and this could be the top of the day. We'll see. It's 2:32 p.m. Bring you back. And we're back to break even. Guys, we're back. This has been a very long and agonizing trade. We're still sitting here. Again, quite a few minutes have passed. This is a 30-minute chart we're looking at now. Of course, when we did this, it was a 10-minute chart. So you'll see we got brought in here. It's been 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, coming up on an hour now, I believe, since we started this thing. So I'm going to leave it here on the 10-minute chart. It looks like we're trying to move up here. We just made a new high for the session. But I know I don't want to bore the tears out of you. It's probably too late for that. But I will put you on pause here and see what we can do. And this thing might just strike up and hit our target. I'll bring you back for that. But I might, oh, there we go. I might not catch it if we're on pause, but it'll also save you the heartache of having to watch a sideways grinding market, which as a trader you probably do all the time and don't really want to spend your free time doing. So I'll put you back on pause now. Here we go. Back, guys. Grinding higher here. Grinding higher. Really taking its time. I'm going to put my stop to break even here. I've had one break even trade today. This might be my second. And only two trades today. One in London, one in New York. As you can see, there have been no opportunities here. I trade from the 30-minute chart for the most part. You'll see that there's just been nothing. There is nothing that suits my entry style whatsoever. This was a nice, reasonable break and close, and then the break above, and that, of course, is the trade that I took. I did it on the I incorporated the 10-minute as well as the 30-minute, as you can see. But they both sent the same signal. And that's it in all of New York. Of course, that's only on the NASDAQ, and that's really all I've been trading lately. I do occasionally trade gold. So I had nothing, no setups for me. A big move on gold today, early on today, but nothing for me. Looking to push up higher here and get this close. We'll see. Watching. Faithful as always. Watching. A little bit more, just a bit more of a push. Let me take you back to the Three Sisters. You'll see that this is being confirmed now by all three: NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow. That was that previous high, broke through convincingly. Previous high broke through. Dow struggling. Oh, and there comes the reversal on the Dow, which will likely and often take the others too with it, as you can see here. Darn, we might not have gotten even. Let's take a look here. Sucks. All right, need a push, guys. Even Patience Czar, is getting a little frustrated with this, and that's human. Back on pause, guys. Tempting to move up, guys. Again, quite a few minutes past. I'm tempted not to post this on YouTube because it's so unbelievably boring. I apologize for that. But I think it's, boom, one more, come on. See if I'm still in. Yeah. Wow. Not asking for too much, are we, guys? I'll flip you over to... Oh, there we go. Finally done, guys. I won't keep you. 20 points and a 1-to-1, so 1R. 1R, 20 points, and zone break, okay? Thanks for staying with me here, guys. Have an amazing night. We will talk soon. Take care.